Tough decision. Navigating complex choices in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, tough decision. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you express complex situations more accurately. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this interesting phrase. A tough decision refers to a choice that is difficult to make. This difficulty often arises from the complexity of the situation, where the options available are either not ideal or have significant consequences. The word tough in this context means difficult or challenging, and decision refers to the act of making a choice or selecting an option. Decisions become tough for various reasons. Conflicting outcomes, when the potential outcomes of the choices are significantly different or conflicting. High stakes, the decision has a major impact, affecting one's life or others' lives significantly. Lack of information, not having enough information to make an informed choice. Personal values, the choices might conflict with personal beliefs or values. Understanding these factors helps in recognizing why some decisions are labeled as tough in conversations. Let's look at some examples. Choosing between two job offers, each with its unique advantages and disadvantages. Deciding whether to move to a new city for a career opportunity, considering the impact on family. Making a choice in a moral dilemma, where both options have significant ethical implications. These examples highlight how tough decisions are often discussed in everyday scenarios. When talking about a tough decision, you can use phrases like, I'm facing a tough decision about. It's a tough call between. I'm torn between these options. These expressions convey the struggle and complexity involved in the decision-making process. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, tough decision, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.